So I was looking for a cartoon AI generator, something that would create graphics that didn't suck. What I found was this, Recrafted AI. We're going to put it through the GSD test and see how quickly we can start generating images. We're going to look at the price point and all that other stuff. This looks pretty cool, right? You're able to hopefully build some pretty cool graphics, some pretty cool illustrative elements without having to spend a whole lot of time doing it. And that's what we love about AI. Real quick, from a pricing standpoint, we got free. The images are public, which is fine. Like Midjourney, where everything shows up in the Discord thread. Or you can pay $20 a month and it ends up being private images. Not all of it appears in the community, and you get faster image generation. So we're just going to test it real quick. We are going to sign up for an account. What do you plan to use Recraft for? We're going to use it for work. And then go through and answer some questions. The marketer in me loves this because it tells them exactly who is using their software and they can develop features for it. We're going to choose fashion and merchandise design. All right. Wow, that was cool. So describe what you expect to see over on the left hand. We get to generate, and then we browse. And then it looks like we have some other stuff. Love the onboarding tool. We're super cool. I really enjoyed the way that it framed out. So we're going to hit Let's Recraft. Okay, what are we going to generate? This desktop image is very cool. So there are two image styles, raster and vector, each with unique presets. Raster images can be enhanced using AI. Upscaling, very cool tool. Vector images allow for quick recoloring and can be exported as SVG files. So we are going to start with raster. And rather than have a cute cucumber, we are going to a happy automobile. This is going to be an illustration, which is cool. We're going to say Recraft. Just see what happens. Ooh, okay. So this is a really nice onboarding tool. The interface here is awesome. It's really nice. Okay, so we're going to just click the image. If we click any of these images, women wearing a hat, flat 2.0. Okay, so what if we change that to vector kawaii? What does that look like? Okay. Whew. Really? What about a lino cut? What does that do? Wow. Okay. Definitely digging it. All right. So it looks like we have some nice example images here. We're going to create a new project. And I'm going to say a raster image. And then this is going to be a wizard casting a spell. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Now, what I would like to do, remove background or, oh, check that out. I can actually, there's a second example of it. Okay. What I want, yeah, this is fine. So we're going to do a kawaii one. What I wanted to do was to do two different kinds and see what the differences were between them. What? Okay, I love this tool. This might be my favorite tool almost ever. Very cool. What's really cool about it is, first of all, it's only going to get better, but it gives you such magnitude of images that you can generate. And it doesn't take really long, complicated prompts in order to get what you need. It does what it needs to do very well. The onboarding process was really cool. And we're probably 5 minutes in, and we've already generated some really cool shit. So, wizards alone. In terms of the GSD meter, ease of use, I would say it really doesn't get any easier. The onboarding, you got to read, which is fine. But the look, I'm a 4.5 maybe. Productivity is a 5. Time to launch, I think, is a 5. We're literally generating images in under 5 minutes. And then from an output standpoint, the output is awesome. So it's a 5. That equals 4.9, I think, right, on the GSD scale. So this is a very cool tool. Definitely dig in, play around with it. I've even got other types of wizards here that we haven't even seen yet. Definitely check it out if you want to create some cool shit for a marketing campaign, for social media, for avatars for your brands or your companies, anything like that. It's really cool. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right, thanks.